Okay, so we are done with consensus theory. The next topic is all about what we know as pragmatic theory. Pragmatic comes from the word pragma, meaning practical. Okay? It holds the view that something is true if we can put it into action or is useful in real life. So verificationism is considered that ideas must be verified using senses and experience. A pragmatist is concerned with the results, not reality. Scientific method is designed to test hypotheses or confirm conclusions. Okay? So meaning, you cannot able to prove that what you are, example, what you are experimenting at what you are doing is true if you are not put it into practice. Okay? So once if you put it into practice, you could supplement a scientific method on it. Okay? Say for example, one example is Julius Robert Oppenheimer. As you can see here in our picture, no? Are you familiar with this one, Julius Robert Oppenheimer? This is this is a person who instigated the Manhattan Project. Manhattan Project that this is a project that eventually create a very destructive bomb. They call it a plutonium and uranium bomb. Eventually, this 2 atomic bomb was dropped in Hiroshima, and the second one, which is the plutonium, is on Hiroshima. So what is the connector? What is the connection of Julius Robert Oppenheimer in our topic pragmatic theory? Did he put it into practice? Did he use it in useful in real life? The answer is yes. Because during the time, Julius Robert Oppenheimer is not convinced that his invention is destructive or not. No? So what he did to witness, no, the destruction of this invention, they tested this chemical nga kung pabuthon siya, unsa kalapad ang iyang mabuto, unsa kalapad ang iyang maguba. Unsay mga butang ang mga guba kung maigo siya ni, no? So what they did before they dropped the bomb, fun facts, before they dropped the bomb to Nagasaki and Hiroshima, they tested these bombs in New Mexico. I forgot the specific place on location in New Mexico, but it happened in the New Mexico. So ilang gipabuto when Julius Robert Oppenheimer witnessed the 2 mushroom clouds, no, dako kayo, dito siya naka-witness nga, okay, so effective kusog yun ay, so pwede na ta ni i-drop, no? Pragmatic. Pero ang pagka-pragmatic lang ni Julius Robert Oppenheimer is destructive lang. But we need to set an example also, which is a person that put the pragmatic theory into a good practice, not Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Tagaata mo example with the student. John Dewey. John Dewey is a philosopher and educator. John Dewey is the founder of constructivist theory. Constructivist approach in teaching. No? John Dewey realized that when he teach traditionally to the student, they will get bored. Maboring sila, no? So ang gibuhat ni John Dewey, unsa mo nako pag-put into practice ani. So dito na siya nakamugna og constructivist approach. Okay? So ang topic gitagaan siya topic unya gipa-debate. So interactive na kay mga bata. So meaning the children, the pupil, the students can able to interact the subject by putting what you said on the topic, by putting it into practice. So because of that, there is an interaction. Many got interested in it, meaning you made it practically in which the student can able to apply it into their daily lives. So inana ka pragmatic, no? There is a specific doctor way back 1900s. I forgot the specific name of this one, but in order to be able to know the disease of the gubat matutong panahon na sa Cuban War, they call it Cuban War, no? He cannot able to figure out what is the cause of the disease of the soldier, no? Pero naa siya naobserbaran, no? Nga nakita niya nga ang trench, ang gubat sa una uso man gud is trench, no? Kada mag-count sila nya dito sila mo tago, dito sila tanan nya. Ang trench is puno og mud, puno og ponds, meaning na tubig nga nagpundo. So probably if there is a pond, there is a storage of ponds in a trench, there is a higher probability that these ponds will be hatched by an egg of a mosquito. So probably daghang yung lamok sa trench. May daghang posibilidad nga magkalamok. Nya karon to make it more convincing to him that the source of the disease is from mosquito, he deliberately beat himself with the mosquito inside a tube in which the mosquito cannot able to escape. So after several days, nagkasakit siya. Okay? So he collect a blood sample from the soldier which is being affected, no, by this, but he didn't know what is the reason. So he get a blood sample from the soldier and he also get a blood sample to himself. When he compared that the blood is identical and there is a specific bacteria which came from the mosquito, he believed that this is a yellow fever. No, grabe kayo. Pragmatic, practical, apply gud niya. So meaning dahil with the student, para makabalo ka sa usa ka butang nga tinuod, dapat you need to be practical. Okay, so for example, teacher sa civil engineering, no, nag-teach ng mathematics, nag-teach ng Pythagorean theorem, no? Nya ang mga bata dili ka siya makarelate. Yung meaning ng teacher, okay, my dear student, don't be worried about it because we are going to apply this mathematical equation during your internship. Because you will be visiting a construction site in which the civil engineer, a licensed civil engineer, will show you a blueprint, and the blueprint, it has something to do with different angles na siya mga measurement dito ma-apply ang kanang mga Pythagorean theorem, no? Kay dili mo ginamuligon ang usa ka building nga wala application sa mga mathematical equations. So mo na ay practical, no? Na practical nga application yun sa usa ka gi-practice, no? Okay? Okay, so that is pragmatic is all about my dear student. So the next topic that we are going to talk about is fallacies and biases. Okay, stay tuned with us.